I'd like to talk to you about the water mains cleaning works that we'll be carrying out across the Ballarat and District water supply system over the coming weeks, which may change the taste and odour of the water that you receive at your home or business. While this water will be safe at all times, we think it's important to provide you with some information about these changes and what it means for you as a customer. The works are due to start on the 10th of January and will go through to early March 2023. It is important for us to do these works periodically to ensure that the water mains that supply water to your house remains clean at all times. And this is part of our routine program to ensure that we provide you with the best quality drinking water. These works involve temporarily altering the way that we disinfect the water we supply. Normally we use a process called chloramination, where we add chlorine and ammonia to the water. Over the period of these works, which will be for approximately 8 weeks, we're turning off the ammonia and you'll receive only chlorine. This allows us to clean the mains in a safe and timely manner to continue to provide safe drinking water to your home or business. During these works, you may notice a more prominent chlorine taste and odour in the water. I'd like to reassure you that at all times the water will be safe to drink and use around your home or business, and will also be consistent with the water quality requirements of the Australian Drinking Water Guidelines. I can also assure you that you'll see no change in the flow or pressure of the water to your house. For those customers that are more sensitive to chlorine taste and odour, we recommend that you store some drinking water in an open jug to allow the chlorine levels to reduce.